Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into Ansible, the automation powerhouse for Red Hat Linux. Imagine handling system configurations effortlessly, no more manual labor. Ansible uses simple YAML playbooks, making it easy to set up. It's agentless, meaning no extra software is needed, just SSH. If you're tired of repetitive tasks, Ansible is your best friend. So let's get started and make life easier. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, let's talk about Ansible. It's like a personal assistant for IT tasks, except it doesn't complain. With Ansible, you automate configurations and manage multiple systems seamlessly. No more tedious manual work. Just let Ansible handle it while you sip your coffee. It reduces errors, saves time, and makes IT management a breeze. Sounds good. Let's move ahead. Before we jump into installing Ansible, let's tick off the checklist. First, make sure Red Hat Linux is up and running, no installing it midway. You'll need sudo or root access because, well, Linux demands respect. A stable internet connection is a must, unless you prefer staring at loading screens. Finally, enabling the Ansible repository ensures you have access to essential packages. Ready to roll. Here's a crucial step, checking your Red Hat version. A simple command cat/etc/Red Hat release tells you everything you need to know. Why does this matter? Well, installing Ansible on an incompatible version is like putting a square peg in a round hole. It won't work. Avoid errors, confirm compatibility, and save yourself from a troubleshooting headache. Updating your system before installing Ansible is like stretching before a workout. It prevents issues. Running DNF update Y ensures your packages are fresh and ready. It keeps things smooth, prevents dependency nightmares, and boosts security. A little update now saves a lot of troubleshooting later. Dependencies are the unsung heroes of software installation. Ansible needs Python, so we install it with DNF install y python 3 pip. Without these, Ansible will throw tantrums. Think of it as giving Ansible the right tools for the job, so everything runs without hiccups. Before installing Ansible, let's unlock its treasure chest, the Ansible repository. Run DNF install y Ansible release to access extra packages. Without this, installing Ansible is like cooking without spices. It won't be complete. So let's get this enabled and move forward. Now the magic moment, installing Ansible. The command is simple, DNF install y Ansible. It fetches the latest stable version, ensuring everything works perfectly. No complex configurations, no guesswork, just a clean installation. Let's run this and bring Ansible to life. Last step, folks, verification. Run Ansible version to confirm installation. If it shows the version, congrats, you did it. If not, well, let's troubleshoot. This check avoids future headaches, so take a second to verify. And with that, you're all set to automate with Ansible. Welcome. Let's talk about configuring Ansible, shall we? First, installing it, simple but essential. Next, configuration files, the backstage crew running the show. Then, inventory and connection settings. They determine which machines listen to Ansible's commands. Finally, Ansible CFG lets us fine-tune behavior. Think of it as tweaking the recipe to get the perfect dish. Now, let's move on to setting up the inventory. Ansible inventory is where we introduce machines to Ansible, like a guest list for automation. First, we create an inventory file. Next, defining hosts and groups, because organized automation is the best automation. Setting up connection parameters ensures smooth communication. And if managing static lists isn't your thing, dynamic inventory saves the day. That way, Ansible adapts as your infrastructure grows. Now let's dive into playbooks. Playbooks where the magic happens. We start by writing a YAML playbook, Ansible's language of choice. Then defining tasks and roles, because every server has a job to do. Execution is next, where Ansible carries out our carefully crafted commands. Handlers, oh, they're the cherry on top, executing only when needed. avoiding unnecessary repetition. Ready to test connectivity? Let's go. Now, before we go wild with automation, let's check if Ansible can even talk to our servers. First, the ping module. It's like asking, hey, are you there? Then, checking SSH access ensures smooth communication. Verifying inventory settings helps avoid surprises. And if something misbehaves, troubleshooting connection errors gets us back on track. Let's get to managing remote hosts. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.